Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to check your Venmo limit. Now, I know that this is a question that a lot of people have been asking me lately, so I'm glad to finally be able to answer it for you. But before we get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about why it's important to know your Venmo limit. Why is it important to know your Venmo limit? There are a few reasons why it's important to know your Venmo limit. First, it can help you avoid overspending. If you know your limit, you're less likely to spend more money than you can afford. Second, it can help you avoid getting into trouble with Venmo. If you exceed your limit, Venmo may suspend your account. Third, it can help you stay on top of your finances. Knowing your limit can help you track your spending and make sure that you're not overspending in any one area. How to check your Venmo limit. So, now that we've talked about why it's important to know your Venmo limit, let's talk about how to check it. There are two ways to check your Venmo limit. Online. In the app. Online. To check your Venmo limit online, you'll need to log into your Venmo account. Once you're logged in, click on the Settings tab. Then, click on the Limits tab. Your Venmo limit will be displayed on this page. In the app. To check your Venmo limit in the app, you'll need to open the app and log into your account. Then, tap on the Settings tab. Then, tap on the Limits tab. Your Venmo limit will be displayed on this page. What is my Venmo limit? Your Venmo limit is based on a number of factors, including your account age, your activity level, and your payment history. The default Venmo limit is $2,500 per week. However, you can increase your limit by verifying your identity and connecting your bank account. Once you've verified your identity and connected your bank account, your Venmo limit will increase to $10,000 per week. You can also request a higher limit by contacting Venmo customer support. How can I increase my Venmo limit? There are a few things you can do to increase your Venmo limit. Verify your identity. Connect your bank account. Request a higher limit from Venmo customer support. Tips for using Venmo. Now that you know how to check your Venmo limit, here are a few tips for using Venmo. Be aware of your limit. Don't overspend. Use Venmo for legitimate transactions only. Report suspicious activity to Venmo. Knowing your Venmo limit is important for a number of reasons. It can help you avoid overspending, getting into trouble with Venmo, and staying on top of your finances. If you're not sure what your Venmo limit is, you can check it online or in the app. You can also increase your limit by verifying your identity and connecting your bank account. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.